We needed a new bathroom floor. We got in our car and headed to Floor Decor. As we drove up, the store was very visible from the street. Upon entering the store, everything was clean and laid out so nicely. And of course, we stopped right in front, something to catch our attention. As we continued our walk through the store, they had so many choices to choose from. There was all kind of tile works. There was all kind of ceramic tiles in all sizes. It was absolutely breathtaking. Not only did they have beautiful floor tiles, the wall tiles were absolutely stunning. They had displays of vanities and vanity cabinets that you can buy, mirrors, so many ideas. We were so overwhelmed, but it took one salesperson, Quita, to rein us in and keep us focused on what we were there for. She showed us many types of floors and samples that we could use in our space. She also helped us to figure out our design sense and what would work best for our space. The store has so many things to offer. Every type of floor tile cutter, big and small, and everything that you would need for easy installation. But with Quita's help, we made our choice. Optimax Hybrid Resilient Flooring with a cork backing. Checkout was easy. They even signed us up for the mailing list. Then came the installation. It was so easy that my husband and I was able to do it by ourselves. It took us a few hours and we were able to knock it out. The hardest part was making those cuts around tricky areas, but we were able to get that done also. Because my husband and I are both seniors, it made it a little challenging for us to move about on the floor, but we were able to push through. At Floor and Decor, you won't find peel and stick, but durable and economic to high-end luxury vinyl plank flooring, hardwood flooring, not forgetting about the beautiful wall tiles, and everything you'll need for an easy installation. Now take a look at our completed project. It turned out absolutely wonderful, all done in a day. Thank you, Floor and Decor.